This is a prototype for a series of automata designed to demonstrate Einstein's theories of relativity. So this one is showing time dilation, and here's a spaceship, and the spaceship has on it a clock. It's a photon clock, so every time that this photon moves from one side of the clock to the other, the clock hand here will tick. And we can see that when the spaceship is standing still, not flying, the clock can tick at a certain rate. But once the spaceship takes off, it takes a lot longer for the clock to tick. And that's because we can see that that photon has a lot further to travel. It's not just going across the clock, it's going along the distance of travel as well, so that clock hand is ticking slower. And now we're back at rest again. The clock hand ticks faster again. And this is exactly what we see in reality. Fast-moving clocks slow down. Time goes slower for them. Which means fast-moving, everything slows down. Even your brain slows down when it's moving close to the speed of light. And I'm going to make some other automata that demonstrate length contraction and relativity of simultaneity. So all these interesting ideas related to relativity.
Contraptioncard.com